Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroAlgo. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 18th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of July 2025, our system has ranked MicroAlgo as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 27.4% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 100% to negative 27.4%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 37.47%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 100% and negative 12.39% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $12.84. Our latest daily update for MicroAlgo includes the headline, High Volatility in MicroAlgo Inc. stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $14.66. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price gained 2,373.01% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 18th of July, 2025, rising from 59.3 cents to $14.66. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 18.58%, from a day low of $13.70 to a day high of $16.25. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 2,098.56% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 27 million shares, and in total, 1 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $15,940,000. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $59.40, and the lowest price was 50.1 cents. Currently, the price is 75.32%, or $44.74, below the 52-week high, and 99.90%, or $14,285.34, below the all-time high on December 13th, 2022, when the price reached $14,300. MicroAlgo Inc. is making significant strides in quantum technology, as highlighted by their recent announcements. On the 7th of July, the company introduced a Grover-based quantum algorithm aimed at finding pure Nash equilibria in graphical games. This development is not just a technical achievement, it holds the potential to revolutionize applications in game theory, which could broaden MicroAlgo's market reach and applicability. Earlier in June, they integrated their quantum image LSQB algorithm with quantum encryption technology, enhancing the security of quantum information systems. This capability is especially pertinent as demand for secure data transmission rises, positioning MicroAlgo favorably within a burgeoning sector. Moreover, their advancements in quantum neural networks and error correction algorithms could present game-changing opportunities in artificial intelligence and machine learning sectors. Over the past few months, MicroAlgo has also leveraged quantum mechanics principles to optimize tasks in computer vision and image processing. Financially, the company revealed a robust growth trajectory with a net income of approximately $7.3 million for 2024, a sharp turnaround from previous losses. This financial comeback, combined with its innovative developments, could strengthen investor confidence and drive stock value upward in both the short and long term. Enhanced market perception, fueled by these technical and financial milestones, suggests that MLGO is well positioned for sustained growth, making it a stock to watch closely in the evolving landscape of quantum computing. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is deemed a strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. The MicroAlgo Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. During any downturns, there will be support at levels of $2.67 and $1.24. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, June 30th in the year 2025, and since then, it has risen by 2,779.59%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 289 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 45 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, from accumulated volume at $11.86. Without support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk increases, as a drop below this support may result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $2.55 between its high and low, which is an 18.58% change. For the previous week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 12.12%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a subdued expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, MicroAlgo encounters its first support level at $11.86. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from various analyst sources is a buy recommendation. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $14.29, indicating a decline of 2.54%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 98, further elevating this risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 13 days ago. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? MicroAlgo Inc. presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy. At its current level, it is better viewed as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Our analysis has been updated from a strong sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of July, we anticipate that MicroAlgo will open higher by approximately 208 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $14.87. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.